So we're going to be multiplying just complex conjugates. And so they're called, I mean, there's complex conjugates in what we're multiplying. They're called conjugates because you have the same numbers in the parentheses, and then one's a plus sign and one's a minus sign. So when we multiply these, it's actually just like when we're multiplying binomials, but you have x minus 1 plus I and x minus 1 minus I. Now I like to multiply using the area model. So when we multiply x times x, we get x squared. When we multiply x by negative 1 plus I, we get negative x minus xi. And all I did was just distribute the x to the 1 plus I on the inside and then distribute the negative sign. And then x times negative 1 minus I is negative x plus xi. And then when we multiply these two together, it becomes positive. And we have another little area model that we can do for that one. So we have 1 plus I and 1 minus I. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times I is I. 1 times negative I is negative I. And I times negative I is negative I squared. So here's the key. You've got to remember that I squared equals negative 1. So if I have a negative 1, that's a plus 1. So I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. Negative I plus I is 0. So 2 goes down in this box right here. Now we combine like terms. We have x squared. Negative x plus negative x is minus 2x. The xi minus xi goes to 0, and we're left with plus 2. So we're going to go ahead and type in here x squared. Oh, why is it capital? Back up. I don't get it. Minus 2x plus 2. And we'll just try one more. So here's just our complex conjugates. That's all we're multiplying together. So we have x minus 4i and x plus 4i. X times x is x squared. Negative 4i times x is negative 4xi. Positive 4i times x is a positive 4xi. Those two will cancel. Nice. These two will become a negative 16i squared. And remember that I squared equals negative 1. So a negative 16 times a negative 1 becomes a positive 16. So our answer will be x squared plus 16. So we'll go ahead and we'll type that in. And that's the end of our lesson.